We're still at Willy Wonka. We're wasting all the money on Willy Wonka today. We're still here because if we can get Violet and Volta, we'll have a complete set for the day. And then I would cash it in. This is 4,000 tickets. And they always have nice prizes I like. But the problem is...
Augusto, sweetheart, save some room for later.
No, that was the Willy Wonka one. The problem is, it's on the V. And you know what happens when cars are on the V? They get stuck. Oh, it's not moving at all. I don't know what to do.
I'm trying to... That is not budging. Something different.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Gotta try something a little different.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I'd like a bar of chocolate and a barbecue sandwich with some
I'd like
fries
a bar
on
of
the side.
chocolate.
Oh, I know what you want for lunch. We've already made that
I'd like a
clear.
bar of chocolate, please.
No, whatever you want.
Whatever you want, even though you...
Even though there's a B&A that's very close
I'd like a
by.
bar of chocolate, please.
Okay.
No, my throat is sore. I don't know what I want. I guess I could still eat fries. I can never say no to fries. Oh!
There we go. That's what we needed right there. But it wasn't enough.
No, it wasn't enough.
You're coming down, Sluggy.
Oh, he didn't help that time.
He didn't help at all. Lousy spy. All right. Actually, it's a very good one. You shouldn't talk bad about it.
This card's taking a little longer than we would have liked.
Boy, that's great stuff.
I really think we can get it, though.
Oh, I don't want to give up. I never want to give up.
Never give up?
What movie is that from? Is that Goonies? No.
I think so, but it's also from Star Quest or
I'd like a
Oh,
bar
it
of
is
chocolate,
Galaxy
please.
Quest.
Galaxy Quest, whatever.
That's a good movie.
The good
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Tim Allen.
I like Tim Allen.
Sigourney Weaver.
I like Tim Allen.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I do.
Professor
I'd
Snape
like a bar of
is in
chocolate,
it.
please.
What?
No, nothing. You don't know Harry Potter. Never mind.
No, I'm not a Potter fan. All right. That makes me weird, so be it. I like foolishness like this.
A very, very loud game.
It's a chicken.
Oh!
There we go, boys.
Oh my God, it's teetering.
There we go, boys.
Slide.
It's happening, folks. It's happening. Everyone wish good thoughts. Good thoughts. Lots of good thoughts. Wish good thoughts.
Is that from... Oh, there we go.
There it is! Oh, Merry Christmas!
No, wait, she's stuck. Get some coins
Okay,
to fall.
hold on. We'll get her to fall.
That was all at once.
Yeah, well.
I was beginning to think it was the impossible
What's
dream.
the point?
I'm fed up with cabbage water.
Cabbage water?
Cabbage water. That's what they get every night.
Okay,
Cabbage.
oh, no, you need a couple more. Oh my gosh, she's not falling. They're stuck in the salt down there. Or the... Alright, come on, knock her down. Oh, that's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous. Well, I'm not spending more money just to get that stupid thing to fall.
Oh no, I won't hold you responsible.
Well, oh,
So
that was
close.
close.
Mikey, come on, Mikey, move.
I don't know. Let me see if there was a violet. Okay, so that was Veruca. We really need that violet. We got 2 Verucas, but we really need that
I'll
violet.
spin once, and that's
All
it.
right, and if not, we'll get an employee because this is ridiculous.
Now spin.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Okay, this should do it right here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
There it is.
we go.
There it is. There it is. Guess what day it is?
Oh my God.
Guess what day it is?
You're crazy.
Adieu.
Two.
Can we get them off?
Oh, we got everything. Everything that you could possibly get and more. Look at that.
Very
All the
cool.
cards and the golden tickets. Golden tickets. All right, so we have the complete set. So that'll be 4,000 tickets. And let's go to prize room and see what we're gonna get. We still got money left to play the claw machine.
Here, you figure it out.
All right, let's go find the claw machine and see how much money we have. All right, not playing that today. Anyway, Vic said they had E.T. plush. My husband's gonna make me play it without him.
Come on down to Carney Town.
You know I love my E.T., so let's see if I can win me an E.T. plush. Not for sure how much money we have left. All right, so it's the UFO catcher. I don't know, $1.50 a try. They're kind of small. It looks pretty full. So is anyone actually winning these ETs? Alright, I'm gonna try for that one right there. Oh my God! I get 2 tries. I only have 1 more try after this. So, unless I'm really, really lucky, I don't know that I'm coming home with an ET. Oh, I did not go back. I did terrible.
You got potato heads over there.
Terrible. Alright. This is my last try, Robert. You want to do the last try? This is
I'm gonna
it.
be responsible for not getting the
Okay.
toy. Let me see.
Alright. I was going for this one right here, but I went too far back. So like right there.
So what do you want to do?
What do you think? I don't know.
If you're gonna get it, this will be the one. If not, then I don't know what to tell you.
Oh. That's it.
That's it,
We're
folks.
out of money. We spent $75.
We could have
Alright.
gotten a potato head.
Show me the potato head.
Go around the corner.
So these are plastic toys. Oh my God, they do have Mr. Potato Heads. I had no idea what you were talking about.
They got Mr.
They
Potato
are
Head.
Mr. Potato Heads. They are cute. What was over here?
I like Mr. Potato Head.
I felt like there was a claw machine over here. Oh, look, Sonic character. From Sonic the Hedgehog. Alright. Shootout family fun. Alright. Let's go cash in our get 4,000 tickets, see if there's anything good to win. E.T., I will have to come back and get you later because I just am not spending any more money. I will come back next week for sure. So it's not very busy. It is a Tuesday afternoon. I swear Tuesdays are Ticket Tuesdays, like it's double. But it doesn't count as the coin on the coin pusher, it's just the other ones. So see, they have a pretty nice size game room. And I'm sure their ticket machine is not open. So, let's see if there's any even. Oh my god, they have a huge Mr. Potato Head. They have a cute sloth. They still have the Pac-Man squishies. I got a Pac-Man light. I might just hold on to the tickets and cash them in later because I'm not necessarily seeing anything I have to have right now. I have that dinosaur. I love that dinosaur. I have that Slimer. That kangaroo is neat. I got one of those big ghost last time. So, trying to decide, I'm not really seeing anything I want. So, I know I said I was going to cash them in, and I will eventually, but I will wait until I see a nice surprise. I have a huge Pikachu. There's the Scooby-Doo game, that was new. Oh, and they have the new ring toss. That's cool. I haven't played that one yet. Alright, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna do one more walkthrough. I don't see anything that I need right this moment. I do like the Pac-Man squishies, but I already have a set. I did sell my extras on eBay and they went very quickly, but I'll hold off. Oh, they have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pops. Alright. Let's go find my husband. There's the Impossible game right there. Oh, let's just look at it for the heck of it. They do already have the new cards in the display. New cards. Ooh, look, I think that's the dark. Isn't that the background of the dark one? Isn't that the super rare one? Sorry, not playing. I brought my old cards, but not playing it today since we spent all our money on the other game. Alright, we just left Kokomo Joes, and yes, finally St. Louis has a Willy Wonka machine. I have been waiting forever. It is at Kokomo Joes. I'm glad. I mean, it would have been nicer if it was at Dave & Buster's, but I'm okay with Kokomo Joes. It is my second favorite arcade in the area. It would have sucked if it was at Incredible Pizza because their prices are terrible, but Kokomo Joes has some pretty good prices, so that makes me extremely happy. We ended up spending $75 just on the machine. We got, you know, it's been a while since we played it, like 3 weeks. I forgot we played it at round 1, but it wasn't very good at round 1. It didn't pay out any card. It paid out like a couple cards. This actually paid out pretty well. We got a whole bunch of cards, and we did not cash these in. I'm going to. I'm eventually, but there wasn't any prizes today. And as you saw, I walked through the game room 3 times, and there was no one there to help me. If someone was there to help me, I might have cashed them out just to put the tickets on my cards. But as you saw, I don't know where the workers were today. No big deal. They're nice. They just weren't around. Maybe they were on their lunch break. So, and there wasn't any prizes I had to have today. And we also, besides, we have 1 complete set, and we have enough for a second set. We just need 1 more golden ticket. And we got, like, what'd I say, 6,000 tickets? So 6,000 tickets just from normal play. I think that's a fairly good payout, so I'm very happy with that. Anyway, we're here at Bandanas. We're gonna have some lunch, and then my husband is sighing. What's up?
Nothing.
He's looking at the market, that's why he's sighing. Anyway, we're gonna go have some lunch. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.